Good day everyone, this is Solves and this is the problem na i-solve natin ngayon na related sa exact equation. So, ang una natin gagawin dyan is prove natin kung exact ba talaga siya. So, prove for exactness. And identify natin yung m and n natin. So, ito yung m kasi siya yung katabi ng dx at ito yung n natin kasi siya yung katabi ng dy. So, differentiate na natin yung m in terms of y. So, d over dy, wait lang, ayusin ko lang sulat ko. d over dy times 2x plus y cosine xy. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang ulit, sorry. xy. Tapos, differentiate na natin, magiging, since differentiate na tayo in terms of y, lahat ng other variables other than y, kagaya ng x, is considered as a constant. So, 2x, pareha sila constant dito. Kaya, differentiating a constant is, that will just lead to, 0. So, 0 na yan. Plus, y. So, magagamit tayo dito ng u, ng tawag dyan? Product rule. So, dito, gamitan natin siya ng, gamitan natin siya ng product rule. So, magiging siyang u is equal to y, v is equal to cosine xy. So, du over dy would be equal to 1. And dv over dy, since x dito is a constant nga, so, magiging siyang x, tapos, times 1. Tapos, natin to? Times, differentiation ng cosine u is negative sine xy. So, ayusin ko lang to, magiging siyang x, negative x, sine xy. So, u dv plus v du. I-solve na natin siya, magiging u dv is negative xy sine xy plus v du. So, cosine xy times 1, cosine xy lang naman. So, yan yung dm over dy natin. Yan. Lagyan ko na lang arrow. Yan yung dm over dy natin. So, next natin gawin is yung dn over dx, which means differentiate natin yung n in terms of x. So, d over dx times yung n natin, x cosine xy. So, in this case, kailangan din natin ulit ng product rule. So, gamitin natin, magiging u is equal to x and v is equal to cosine xy. So, du is equal to 1 and dv will be equal to, since differentiating tayo in terms of x, y here will be constant. So, y times 1 times, differentiation ng cosine is negative sine xy. So, this is chain rule. So, ngayon, ayusin ko lang ito, magiging siyang dv is equal to negative y sine xy. So, natin siya, u dv plus v du. Simplify natin, magiging siyang negative xy sine xy plus cosine xy. Kasi cosine xy times 1. So, cosine xy. So, para malaman natin kung exact ba talaga yung equation, dapat dm over dy equal siya sa dn over dx. So, tignan natin, negative xy sine xy, negative xy sine xy, plus cosine xy, plus cosine xy. So, therefore, equal silang dalawa, meaning exact yung equation natin. So, ngayon, na-prove natin yung exactness niya, meaning exact equation siya. So, proceed tayo sa pag-solve sa kanya as exact equation. So, pili tayo sa dalawa, sa m or n, kung ano mas madali i-solve. So, may conditions, di ba, na df over dx is equal to m and df over dy. So, is equal to n. So, piliin na lang natin yung n kasi parang mas simpler siya compare dito. Baka, okay na yan. Piliin na lang natin yan. So, kasi mas maikli. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Kasi n siya. So, df over dy, or sulat na natin siya, df is equal to n times dy kasi minultiply ko na both sides. So, magiging dy. So, substitute natin yung n, magiging df is equal to, yung n natin dito, x cosine xy dy. So, integrate na natin both sides. Magiging siyang f is equal to, integrating both sides, integrating in terms of y. So, magiging siyang x is equal to, x is a constant here. Kasi, in terms of y nga tayo nag-integrate. So, copy lang natin yung x natin. Tapos, integrate natin to. So, magiging siyang, 1 over x sine xy. So, makakancel dito yung x natin. Magiging siyang f na lang will be sine xy and plus yung t plus q of x. So, nahanap na natin yung f natin. Differentiate naman natin siya in terms of x para may ma-equate tayo dito sa df over dx is equal to m. So, df over dx is equal to m, which df over dx. So, df over dx, so df over dx would be equal to, differentiate natin to, magiging siyang, in terms of x, so magiging y cosine xy plus q prime of x. So, ngayon, meron na tayong df over dx dito. Tapos, meron ditong df over dx which is m, which is ito. So, equate natin yung m at ito kasi pareha sila df over dx. So, m muna, copy natin to. 2x plus y cosine xy plus, is equal to, yung nasolve natin, y cosine xy plus q prime of x. So, y cosine xy minus y cosine xy is just 0. Kaya makancel siya. So, q prime of x is equal to 2x. So, para makuha natin yung qx is integrate natin yung q prime of x. So, magiging 2x squared over 2. So, makancel to. So, q of x is equal to x squared. So, yan yung value ng x squared natin. So, gawin natin is substitute natin siya dito, noting na f is equal to c. So, gawin natin siya. Copy naman natin. Magiging sine xy plus q of x, which is x squared, is equal to f, or f is equal to c, kaya c. So, yan na yung final answer natin.